welcome to this week's video lecture. Today's lesson is called Talking Change. We're going to start our lecture with learning about the different types of coins that are used in America, and we're going to finish up with a change counting activity to practice what we've learned. As you grow older, counting change is going to be something that you do nearly every day, so it's important that you learn this skill. So, without any further ado, let's get started. We're going to begin today's lesson discussing 5 common types of change. These coins include pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and half dollars. We will start our lesson discussing the penny. The penny is the second smallest out of our 5 coins. With a copper color, the penny displays the image of America's 16th president, Abraham Lincoln. The value of the penny is 1 cent. Therefore, to have 25 cents, you will need 25 pennies. Or to have $1, you need a total of 100 pennies. Next in our instruction, we will talk about the nickel. The nickel is the third largest of our 5 coins. It has a silver color and has the image of one of America's founding fathers, Thomas Jefferson, on it. The value of the nickel is 5 cents. So, as we did with the penny, to have 25 cents, that will be 5 nickels. Or if we wanted 50 cents, you need 10 nickels to have that value. Out of our 5 coins, the dime is the smallest of them all. The dime has a silver color and has the image of America's 32nd president, Franklin Roosevelt. The dime is worth 10 cents. So if you needed 30 cents, you would need 3 dimes. If you needed one whole dollar, you would need 10 dimes. Alright guys, we're almost done discussing our coins. This is the quarter. The quarter is the 4th largest of our 5 coins that we are talking about today. The quarter has a silver color and has the picture of George Washington, America's first president, on it. The value of this coin is 25 cents. To equal $1, you will need, that's right, you probably guessed it, 4 quarters. Alrighty guys, we did it. This is our 5th coin, the half dollar. The half dollar is the largest of our 5 coins that we are talking about today. With a silver color, the half dollar displays the image of America's 35th president, John F. Kennedy. The value of this coin is 50 cents. However, the half dollar is more of a rare coin, but it's not uncommon to see it used today. So as we were practicing with our counting change, this coin is worth 50 cents. So if we needed $2, we would need 4 half dollars to equal that amount. Now that we've finished talking about our 5 coins, our penny, our nickel, dime, quarter, and half dollar, it's time for our activity. I need you to get out a piece of paper and a writing pen or pencil in order to participate in this activity. So I'll give you a few moments to get that, and then we will get started. Alright, are we ready? We have our pen. Do we have our paper? Yeah? All right. So for this activity, what I did is I went around my house and I found 3 areas where I store my coins. So I am going to show you each of these storage places, and as our activity, you are going to help me count how much money I have. So are we ready? All right, let's begin. First, I found that I have some coins stored in my jar. So we are going to see how much money is in here. Let me shake it out. All right, are you ready? So in this jar, there is 1 nickel, 1 penny, 2 pennies, 1 more, so a total of 3 pennies, a dime, and a quarter. So I'm going to go over it one more time. In the jar, there was a nickel, a penny, another penny, a third penny, a dime, and then a quarter. So write that down and write it on your paper next to a number 1. We're going to go over the answers at the end, so just keep your answer and we'll see if you're right. Hopefully you are. Next. All right, so I have some in my purse here. Let's see how much money. So for our second problem, let's count our change. There's a lot in this one. Alrighty. I think I got it all. Okay. So in my purse, I have a dime. Oops, let me show you that. I have a dime, first penny, another penny, another penny, a quarter, penny, another penny, nickel, penny, one more penny, another penny. I have a lot of pennies, guys. Sorry. And then a quarter. So for my purse, let's see. I had a dime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pennies, a quarter, a nickel, and one more quarter. So tally that up, calculate how much money there was in my purse. Alright, so I know you guys have probably gotten the hang of this. So for our last activity, we are going to count how much money I have in my sock. Kind of embarrassing, right? Okay, so in here, let's see how much I have. Alright, I got it all. In my sock, there is a quarter, a penny, a quarter. We have a nickel, a penny, a quarter, and last but not least, 1 penny. So from this guy, we have a quarter, a penny, a quarter, a nickel, a penny, a quarter, and we finished up with a penny. So add that together and see what you come up with. And next, we're going to go over the answers and see how awesome we all did. Okay guys, let's go over the correct answers. The jar contained 43 cents. My purse held 73 cents. And my socks stored a total of 93 cents. Please mark your correct answers and bring your work to class on Monday. As we wrap up this lesson, I hope you see the importance of understanding the different types of change and knowing how to count it. Know that counting change will almost always be used when paying with cash. And think about it. How often do you and your family use cash? At the grocery store? When getting a bite to eat at McDonald's? At the gas station? I'm sure you can think of more examples, which goes to show counting change is a very important skill. And please remember, change may have a small value individually, but as coins increase, the value can grow into something great. With this lesson, it is my goal that you now understand the different types of coins and are comfortable and confident using your new skill. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in class Monday.